Hello everyone, and welcome to The Walking Dead Saints and Sinners. Let's kill some walkers. Peterson? Oh. Grab you. He just shriveled down in there, huh? I wonder if I can do it without grabbing them in the head first. Yep, I can. Can't really. Where'd my knife go? Oh, they took it away from me. My bad. Okay. And I have played this game a couple times before, but the recordings haven't worked out, so we are on our, third try. So if it doesn't work, y'all are not getting this game. Play at all. Oh, my bad. My bad, man. Try that and run and use his stamina. Okay, give me my axe. You gotta let him grab me. They're kind of stupid. And they look even stupider with those bags on their head. Okay, let's make sure I remember how to use the gun. Okay. You need to take... I need to make sure it's ammo. Gotta load that up in the air. I do, at some point, want to come back to the tutorial and try.
Now that you've seen all there is to see, would you like to exit the combat tutorial?
Yes.
Are you sure about that? Hot damn, would you look at that? Just remember, them walkers out there ain't gonna treat you as kindly as the ones in here.
I know. I know, because I've played this about 2 times. This is the third try. Okay. Story mode activated. Orleans Parish Bayou.
Well, I'll be damned. The tourist. In the flesh. Oh, stories about you been buzzing all over the bayou. Word has even reached Nola. Yeah. But if the city's where you're headed, well, I suspect your story is just beginning.
So, are people talking about me?
Here's a friendly warning. One lone soul to another. The dead ain't the only thing to be fearing in the Big Easy.
Oh my.
There is a war brewing. The tower on one side, looming on the horizon, high and mighty, spouting their all-for-one ideals, and shunning any folks who don't be towing the line.
Bye-bye, buddy. That's, unfortunate.
Those reclaimed renegades are on the other,
Oh,
making
wow.
everyone's skin crawl with their horror show tactics.
Stop looking at me, weirdo.
And the powder keg that's gonna make the whole city blow? The reserve.
The reserve is
I can
real.
tell by the spark that jumped up in your eyes that you've heard the legend. Disaster relief supplies from when the flood to end all floods hit in an old military bunker. never distributed to the people because the government didn't know its ass from a hole in the ground. And before they could figure it out, the dead started walking.
Yep.
Oh,
We're
all that
all in
grub,
this together.
all those meds,
Doubt that.
military-grade weapons, and ammo to boot. Untouched. Hidden.
Wow, it's kind of dark in here.
And guess who's close to unearthing the mother lode? That's right. You're looking at him. But this broken body has seen better days. And I need to get after it real quick before the fools get wise. So, if you find yourself itching to step out of the bayou and help out an old man, well, you can find me in the cemetery where I'm holed up.
Alrighty.
There would be a 50-50 split in your future.
That's fine.
I ain't greedy,
Eh,
and I ain't no fool.
okay. Everybody's greedy at one point or another. It's a
Give it
gosh
a
darn
ponder,
apocalypse.
tourist. You just might be what this sinking city needs to keep its head above water. But then again, maybe you're the type to pull the whole godforsaken place under.
I hope not. I'm gonna try to save this place to the best of my abilities. Though, not sure. Oh my. At least I've got decent aim. I just can't aim from afar, is my only issue. This music is very creepy. It's like, and it's also loud right in my ear. Okay. Well, we got through the beginning part. That didn't make sense. Requires a broad range of movement, not extremely fast. Oh wow. Okay. Well, do I have a weapon? I don't have a weapon. That's fine. Push those gates right open and head on into the graveyard. Oh, I do have a knife. You find the old man's hideout. Yep, I already knew what I'm doing. I don't need that journal. I will at some point. I know I will, because I forget stuff really easy. Oh. Well, that's gotta hurt. Oh, sorry, dude. No, I'm sorry. That's a little bit foul of me. Oh, well, you got your brain shot out. Ah! Doesn't look like you got to become a zombie, though. You look like pretty much still human. Oh, hi there. I was about to call you a name, but I'm not like Lizzie. I'm not gonna name this guy. Which way am I going? How you doing, buddy? Oh, your mouth's moving. You trying to talk? Can't, but the words can't get out. Looks like they have the same talking skills as a baby. Oh, well. Oh! Well, that's fantastic. What in? Oh, they have the animal masks that we saw in the intro. I've never noticed that he had one on before.
Fool.
Yeah.
Such a Damn fool. Oh, no more.
No more what?
Please. I can't. I take no more.
Relax, it's me. What happened to you?
Now you show up. Oh,
My bad.
Bitch. Both sides. It came down on me. Same time. Slaughter.
Can't cut it.
But I kept my mouth shut. He didn't get shit out of old Henri. Oh, do me a solid. The bus. All I got. All I've done. Don't let it go to waste.
I won't.
I'm begging you. Help the kid. Huh? Her mom. 50-50 still stands.
Okay.
Huh? They get mine. Understand?
Okay.
They're the only ones who deserve it. The rest? Drown the motherfuckers.
Okay.
Henri, who you talking about?
So long, waterfall. So long, waterfall.
Okay. Oh, he's dead. He's also turning his head to look at me. Hope he stopped turning his head to look at me. Oh, now he's a walker. I want to put you out of your misery. Oh my lord. I was gonna put him out of his misery, but I can't. Did not let me. Okay. So we've got... Let me loosen up my headset before I die from head damage. I had my headset way too tight. Okay. So... Graveyard strut. My lord. Okay, I remember I gotta put this. Oh my. And...
I had an inkling, and by God, I was spot on. The reserve. It's out there. It exists. This journal I found proves it. Still, so much work to be done. Stones that gotta be overturned, riddles that need solving. Waterfall and frequency 61 has to be connected to the reserve somehow. Command and control, I'm guessing. That's the next step. If I can get this blasted radio repaired. Wonder if someone is still inside. As soon as my ankle feels steady, gonna take the skiff to that mansion in the Garden District where Niles and I recorded the Tipsy Blue record, the Blue Palace. It's my best shot at finding a microphone for the radio. Power is covered with the bus battery, just got connected. Antenna too, got encryption covered. Can't afford any eavesdropping. Haven't slept in 3 days. These creaky bones are rattling with excitement. So close. I can only imagine what might be in there. Grub, meds, weapons, ammo. Oh, haul of a lifetime. Set me up for a decade. Could sure use the tourist help, though. Hell, I'd even be willing to split 40-60 if they make all this easier. Hope they show up before it's too late. Getting old.
Poor dude. Okay, so what do I gotta do? Oh, cool. Use the skiff to travel to the shallow. Search the Blue Mansion for a microphone. Remember, the skiff is this boat thingy that you can use to travel all around. I only made it to 2 of the places, and this last time I think, but there's like, I think like 7 or 8 maybe. Maybe more than that. I didn't count. Okay. So we gotta go to the shadows. Let's say if night can't travel. Oh, I gotta sleep. Right, forgot about that. Forgot about that. I was ready to kick and move. This game is kind of scary. It doesn't get quite as bad because I know where most of the walkers are because I played it 2 times now. But imagine how less scary this would be if you had like California Girls or something playing in the background. I don't know why that was a thought I had, but I don't know. I was just thinking. Oh my lord, keep it. Okay, you're voodoo. I don't think I want to touch you. You can get back there. You're voodoo. I don't want to be around you. Available supplies have dwindled. The dead have grown in number. That's amazing. For me. Elabas. Okay. So now, let's go ahead and... I don't want to waste too much energy, but I kind of want to work while we have daylight because I remember it does set pretty quickly. I think maybe like 30 minutes is what it takes for it to set. So we will... Oh. Okay. Every day the tower rings the church bells throughout the city to stir the herd of walkers. Your watch is timed to it. That's amazing. There's a lady over here that you can talk to. I remember this lady.
I have no one else to turn to. My husband, he's turned. He begged me not to let it happen, but I just couldn't pull the trigger.
Yeah.
He was all I had left, but
Poor girl.
I failed him. I'm so ashamed. Would you be willing to help me out? I just can't bring myself to do it. I need someone else to end this nightmare.
I will put him to rest.
You will? Thank you. That is so kind. Here, take this key. I locked Reuben in a room, 2nd floor of the Blue Mansion, just up the street. I noticed your watch. Looks like you've got the alarm in sync with the chiming bells that rile up the walkers every day. Smart. You don't want to be caught out in the open when this place is overrun by the dead. Oh, and one last request.
Okay.
Reuben's wedding band. If you could retrieve it, it would mean so much to me. At least I could carry one small token with me.
Sure.
From my children, I have nothing. They're just gone. I never even got to say goodbye.
Okay. So... maybe don't use my gun at first. Use the thing. Okay, so the reason I didn't do the for free option is because she gives you a vault code, and I remember opening the vault, and there was literally... I think there was a gun in there, but nothing else. And it was all stuff that some gun and ammo. So... I don't... and she might give it to us anyway. I don't know. Oh, you're over here. I didn't even see you. I remember there being one over here. So I remember... oh, some birds flew away. I would go through there, but it looks pretty. Okay. Just got a map to go. I'm so very happy that you get a noise when they see you. Otherwise, I would be turning around and whipping my head around the entire freaking time. But the reason I go ahead and say yes, I'll do it, is because I gotta come to this mansion anyway because it's where the blue microphone is. So I mean, might as well. Ooh, gaming headset. I don't need that, or it's some kind of headset. Nothing that really looks worth it in there. Go into her head. I think there's more down there, but okay, so now I don't know what that sound was. Zombies are having a party down here, I guess. Cigarettes? I don't smoke, but maybe we'll run into someone who does and they'll give me something for giving them cigarettes. I don't know. I just like having the flashlight because I can actually kind of see what's going on. Oh, I'll put you back in there. Got a couple more kills in it. If all else fails, I have my gun. We can flip it. I like that. Okay. So, oh, you might want to turn that off. Well, there's some dead right here. There's 3 of them. 4 of them. There's 5 of them. Wow. Y'all are a little annoying, eh? My bad, I just kind of smack you in the head a couple times. Oh my god, bro. Come here. With your creepy little eyes. And your big forehead. You're balding, dude. Oh my god, bro. Y'all are so annoying. You know what? He's gonna choose to come and get me. He can get his brain shot out. He can choose to come and get me. He can get his brain shot out. Annoying little sucker. Okay. Here's your ring there.
Is it over?
Yep.
I recovered the ring.
Thank you. This means the world to me. The only reminder of life before all of this. Reuben was a good husband and an amazing father.
Hold on to the good memories. They will keep you sane.
I will. Here's the code to the safe as promised. I hope that whatever's inside will prove useful.
Okay.
Safe journey.
Okay. So I won't do that right now. Because I don't need any of the stuff that's in the safe right now. But you know what? It's not a bad thing. We got some. I'm not sure how much, what all this will do and what it'll help me with, but I know you can put it into, make it into scraps so you can build things. So let's go ahead, head back to the resting place. Oh, I think I almost fell. It's nighttime again. Woohoo. Okay, so we got our microphone that we needed. We just add that in and then talk to the thing. Okay. Oop. Okay, so now we have our microphone. Get out of there. I think I remember being on channel 61. There we go. Okay, we got that done. Patience. Oh, I put on 60. Waterfall. I guess we'll do waterfall.
Waterfall.
What'd you just say?
Oh.
Waterfall?
That's not possible.
me
Who
sit
is
down.
this?
Just another survivor.
No, I'm not buying it. You alone?
I'm alone.
That's a lie.
Actually, it's the truth. No one here but me. You have my word.
Your word doesn't mean shit to me. Not yet.
Not yet. You testing me?
Maybe. If you're straight with me, our conversation continues. And believe me,
Okay.
I'm someone you want on your side. I know things. Things you're not going to
Arrogant
get
much?
from any other source. I need to know, though, that you're above board. We both want answers, but mine come first. Okay. I believe you're alone. And I'm pretty sure I know who you are. What I'm most curious about is how you found this station and why you said waterfall.
You think you know who I am? All right. Tell me.
Okay, fine. I'll play along. I suspect you're the one I'm hearing all the radio chatter about.
Oh.
The drifter? The one they call the tourist?
Oh. Oh.
You're right.
You come up with that?
I did not. Catchy, though.
Yeah, I'll admit it is. And your reputation precedes you. Now let's get back to Waterfall.
I came across a journal. Belonged to a soldier. This frequency, Waterfall, Nolans written in it.
Does anyone else know about it?
An old-timer named Henri. But he's dead. No clue about anyone else.
Fuck. Okay, shit. Sorry, okay. I got what I need for now. I know you're telling the truth. Just remember, I've got ears everywhere. I hear it all. From every angle, okay? Nothing gets past me.
I get it.
Your turn. Keep it brief. I got shit to do.
The reserve. What do you know about it?
I've heard of it.
You've probably heard more than most. How about sharing some knowledge?
Yeah, well, how would I know more than anyone else?
Everything I've found about the reserve points to this radio station. To you. You know something you're not telling me. But hey, if you aren't willing to share right now, I'm willing to back off. Fair?
Okay. Sure.
I came to NOLA to meet up with an old-timer named Henri, speaking to you through his radio. He wound up dead, along with a bunch of other folks.
No, look, I don't know anything about a dead old man.
Oh.
The old man had a name, and it was Henri. And it seems like Henri was trying to track you down. There must have been a reason, right?
I'm telling you, I don't know anything about what's going on up there. There's no reason to track me down.
What do you mean by up there? If you're not up here with the rest of us, where are you?
That's classified. You don't have clearance. In fact, I don't even know why I'm talking to you right now. What the fuck was that? They coming for you? Shit.
Well, last time I hit, I don't know.
There's something going on over here. Hold on just a minute.
Fuck, shit. No, I should never have. No. No, this ends now. Right fucking now.
Oh. Okay. So that is going to be it for this video, and we will investigate over there, though I already know what it is. Next time. Okay, I need to get that back where it is. Okay. Okay. Well, We fixed up the radio, and we got that lady's wedding ring to her, and her husband's wedding ring, and we got... Hold on. We got the Blue Palace safe code. That's letters. Ruben's confession. We can listen to that next time. I think that's from the husband. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye, and I hope to see you all next time.